Greetings, friends. Watch Refrigeration News for Friday, August 12, 2022 on our channel. German Chancellor Olaf Scholz visits Viessmann. AIRAH partners with Uptick to offer DA19 HVAC&R Maintenance. Airedale appoints Adrian Trevelyan as data center lead. Daikin Applied names Jeff Drees as Chief Executive Officer. So, first news today. German Chancellor Olaf Scholz visits Viessmann. German Chancellor Olaf Scholz visited Viessmann, one of the world's leading providers of sustainable air conditioning and renewable energy solutions. At the company's headquarters in Allendorf, Etter, in northern Hessen, he was particularly interested in the production of state-of-the-art heat pumps. In the future, heat pump technology will be one of the most important drivers for the success of the energy transition and the reduction of energy dependency. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. AIRAH partners with Uptick to offer DA19 HVAC&R Maintenance. AIRAH has partnered with field servicing software provider Uptick to offer DA19 HVAC&R Maintenance as an integrated online solution. The first of its kind, the partnership will allow Uptick to provide AIRAH's DA19 inspection checklists, routine maintenance frequencies, and asset class taxonomy to its premium customers. For more than 20 years, DA19 has been widely considered the definitive manual for HVAC&R maintenance in Australia. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Airedale appoints Adrian Trevelyan as data center lead. Responsible for one of Airedale's most significant commercial operations, Adrian will be accountable for a worldwide territory, excluding US, leading the data center cooling arm of the Airedale by Modine business. Adrian, who has achieved an MBA and chartered manager status during his career to date, brings a wealth of data center knowledge and unwavering leadership skills to his new position. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Daikin Applied names Jeff Drees as Chief Executive Officer. Daikin Industries Limited has announced that Jeff Drees has been selected as the new Chief Executive Officer and President of Daikin Applied Americas. Drees currently serves as Executive Vice President of Sales, Marketing and Aftermarket at Daikin Applied, and will replace Mike Schwartz, who is retiring at the end of August after 11 years leading the organization. And quote, "This is an exciting time to be in the HVAC and building solutions industry," end quote, Drees said. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.